What's the meaning of beheaded? Beheaded. Beheaded.
Beheaded. Beheaded. To be headed is an expression that refers to the direction in which someone or something is going or moving towards. It usually implies that there is a specific destination or goal in mind, and the subject is on their way to reaching it. The term can be used in both literal and figurative senses. For example, if someone is physically heading towards a specific location, they are said to be headed there. If someone is making progress towards achieving a particular objective or goal, they can also be said to be headed in that direction. In short, being headed simply means moving towards a definite destination or objective.